Oh yeah, today we're gonna unbox this black iPhone 15 with 6.1-inch display and storage size of 256GB. It looks so good. I'll let you listen to this famous sound of removing display foil. There are also 4 other colors for iPhone 15. You could choose from blue, green, yellow and pink. Well, and this black. I choose black as rest of the colors look like they were left outside and UV light sucked all saturation from them. Make sure to subscribe or else your new iPhone will look like last year version. Glass, back cover and aluminium frame. Not to mention this. Wow, this is USB-C connector. That's right, no more lightning connector. This guy has classic silent switch, but Pro models have programmable action button. Let's check cameras on this iPhone 15. Main camera is 48 megapixels and it also has 2x telephoto camera that has 12 megapixels and also 12 megapixels front camera hidden in dynamic island. Let's check what we got in the box. Here we have USB-C to USB-C braided cable and paperwork with sticker, of course. There is nothing more. Oh well, at least I got the cable. Back to the iPhone. This is European model and it has SIM tray and also eSIM. It is win for me. I don't like this camera housing bump. I wish they added one more on other side or large, let's say camera island across the back case. Yeah, Apple, call me. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, HDR display with up to 2000 nits of peak brightness. This will be helpful outside on direct sunlight. It comes with pre-installed iOS 17. If you're thinking of upgrade, go for it. For me it was no-brainer as I upgraded from round edges iPhone, so this feels like another planet for me. This baby runs on last year's Apple's A16 bionic chip. It should have 6 CPU cores, 5 GPU cores and 16 cores for neural engine. I'll buy a sleek case for it and hope that it can withstand table or couch height drops. This exact model costed me €1,079, but in US of A it will cost $899. Then you can get entry-level 128GB, 799 or 512GB version for $1,099. And if you want plus version, just add another handy to each version. I will be ordering fast charging and also wireless charging as I need to upgrade. You can find few product links in description below. My favorite iOS 17 features are standby mode, name drop and improved airdrop for sure. Thanks for watching and see you next time.